To the question that gave this, what is microscope and what are the lenses that it has, I will answer it for you together with my group mates, Miss Gazer, Mr. Arellano, and Miss Omer. Good day to all of you. Before we start, let's have a little bit of history about microscope. So, basically, the Roman philosophers started the idea of our modern microscope that we are using nowadays.
To learn about the construction and working of a compound microscope. A compound microscope has multiple lenses which collect light from the object and then focus the light into the eye. These microscopes have the ability to magnify very minute objects to a substantial size, clearly showing the smallest details.
So now you have an idea of the overview of the microscope. Now, let's head on to defining what are the different lenses that is used in microscope. It will be discussed to you by my groupmate Miss Somera and Mr. Arellano.
The first lens is called the objective lens. It forms the real magnified image of the object. It is the most important optical unit that determines the basic performance or function of an optical microscope.
In microscopy, the objective lenses are the optical elements closest to the specimen.
Is ocular lens. The ocular lens or eyepiece magnifies the image. An ocular lens consists of 1 to 3 lenses and also provided with a mechanism called a feed stop that removes unnecessary reflected light and aberration. Last is condenser lens. This lens system is located immediately under the stage and focuses the light into the specimen. The purpose of the condenser lens is to focus the light onto the specimen, used to vary the intensity and size of the cone of light that is projected upward into the slide.
Thank you for that very informative lesson, Miss Somera and Mr. Arellano. So, now we know that there are 3 types of lenses used in microscope. The first one is the objective lenses, second one is ocular, and third one is the condenser lenses. So now, let's define what our really lens is.
What is a lens? Lens is a piece of transparent substance, usually a glass, having 2 opposite surfaces, either both curved or one curved and one plane. It is used as an optical device in changing the convergence of light rays, as for magnification or in correcting defects of vision.
Thank you for that, Miss Gazer. Now, to show you what a microscope can do, watch this next video. So if you are wondering, how can a microscope do that thing? Here is the explanation.
Working of the compound microscope. The object O is placed just outside FO, the focus of the objective lens. A real, inverted, and magnified image, I1, is formed. The magnified image, I1, acts as an object for the eye lens. The eyepiece is adjusted such that the image I1 lies within the focus of the eyepiece, FE. The eyepiece functions as a magnifying glass and forms a virtual, erect, and magnified image, I2, of the object.
So basically, that is the ray diagram that we use so that we can explain to you guys on how microscope really works. So basically, that's it. I hope me and my group answer your questions. See you on the next series of Q&A with Group 2. Bye!